I was just about to steam mop and I have the bird in the kitchen because I haven't cleaned the kitchen yet. Can you hear him? Hello! And he's just chatting away. Oh yeah, now that I get the phone out, you stop chatting? Hello? Hello? Seriously. I've been doing it for like 10 minutes now. Hello? Hello? No, you can feed yourself. Are you hungry? You know where your food is. Oh, you're so clean. Today is really rainy. We're getting the remnants of that hurricane. And it's really windy, really rainy. And he flew up into the pines. And he was so far up I couldn't get him. So I had to leave him there. I left the front door open and the back door open. And he was there in those pines there that you can see through the back door. And when he finally flew to a branch that I could grab him, he was soaking wet and he was crying. He does this thing. He goes when he's really upset. Maybe he might do it if I hug him. Let's see. That's what he does when he cries. But anyways, I was in the other room cleaning and he was just chattering away. I heard the F word several times. Hello about a million times. Did you poop?